Yo YouTube, what up? GSNCards here, coming back at you once again. We're on to our last of the group break for football. Pretty sick. We have 3 boxes of 2008 Upper Deck Premier. I'm hoping to pull some nasty, ridiculous mojo. So good luck to everyone who joined once again. Let's get some hits for everyone who didn't get hits yet. Here we go. Pack number 1, 08 Premier Football. Good luck. I've been pretty good on the, can't even open, I've been pretty solid on the 08 Premier lately, so hopefully it continues. We'll see. Here we go. Alright, first up we have for the Chargers, numbered out of 35, LaDainian Tomlinson. And then next up, a redemption. 2008 Upper Deck Premier Football, rookie signature, memorabilia numbered to 275, Devin Thomas. So, Redskins, there you go. Next up, manufactured patch for the Steelers. This one will go to Crew 7, numbered out of 30. Terrible towel, Franco Harris for the Steelers. I thought that was a foot for a second. And then a triple. Holy shit, guys. Damn. 1 of 1. 1 of 1. What up? Damn. For the Lions. 1 of 1. Dual patch jersey. Calvin Johnson. Holy shit. We pulled another 1 of 1. And look who gets that. Who friggin' gets it? No other than Gator Girl. That is just ridiculous. Gator Girl. That is sick. Holy shit. Gator Girl has been getting ridiculous stuff from me. So there you go, Gator Girl. 1 of 1. What up? Next up, we have numbered at a 65 autograph for the Redskins. We have Brody Croyle. Pretty nice. That is just ridiculous, Gator Girl. That is sick. So for the Chiefs, Brody Croyle. I'll show that again. And next up, we have a dual auto. Numbered at a 25 between the Jaguars and Redskins will be randomed. David Garrard and Jason Campbell. And last card will be for the Bengals. Numbered at a 65, triple jersey, Chad Johnson. So, nice 1 of 1 out of the first box. Moving on to box number 2. Here we go. Gator Girl, congratulations. Pulling a 1 of 1. Pack number 2. We got a base. Numbered at a 35 for the Patriots, Randy Moss. And next up we have, holy shit! Oh my friggin' god! For the, oh my, damn, that is sick, guys. This is disgusting. Wow, who has them? I'm not even going to say the team. I'll give you a little suspense. Who has them? Why don't I just say it? For the Ravens, Jimmy fan, this one will be yours. Numbered out of 30 for the Ravens. Quad patch auto, Joe Flacco. Every friggin' group break I do, I pull a Flacco. Check that one out. Damn, that is disgusting. Next up, we have numbered at a 30 for the Packers, A.J. Hawk, manufactured patch. And then we have for the Cowboys, jersey patch, numbered at a 65, DeMarcus Ware. I can't stop I can't stop looking at that Flacco. Those patches are really nice. And we have for the Bills, autograph numbered at a 25, Aaron Schabel. Then, wow, this is unbelievable. For the Texans, that's me once again. To go along with the other Steve Slayton, I got another one, numbered out at 99. Wow. Holy shit, guys. They're all saying rigged on here. Another Steve Slayton. And then we have a triple jersey for the Packers, Lions, and the Chiefs. Greg Jennings, Calvin Johnson, Dwayne Bowe, numbered out of 40. Triple jersey. But check this one out again. Joe Flacco. I'll show you that one more time. And then we'll move on to box number 3. Very nice so far. Let's get something nice one more time. Finish off the group break for football. Next up, I have a baseball group break. Those patches are just bulging out of the card, too. All right, on the top, we have for the Vikings, numbered out of 99, base of Sidney Rice for the Vikings. And then, wow, another nice card, guys. Who has them? Who has them for the Bears? Natty Sports Card will be getting this one. Numbered out of 375, quad jersey auto of Matt Forte. I pulled one of him last week. Same card I pulled last week also. And next up for the Steelers, numbered out of 15, manufactured patch of Jack Lambert. Oh my God, guys, this is the most disgusting patch I have ever seen. Let me just tell you that I've pulled, at least most disgusting patch I've ever pulled in my life. For the Patriots, triple patch, Tom Brady, Mike Vrabel, and Lawrence Maroney. The Lawrence Maroney is just ridiculous. That is crazy. And that one is numbered at a 75. Then we have for the Steelers, numbered at a 65, autograph, Dennis Dixon. And then for the Chiefs. For the Chiefs, numbered out of, trying to look for the numbering, 35, Brody Croyle autograph. And the last card will be for the Bears, Devin Hester, Matt Forte, Brian Urlacher, triple jersey, numbered out of 65. So probably a really, really solid box in my opinion. We pulled that disgusting card there. We pulled this. A Matt Forte. Joe Flacco, quad patch, and a 1 of 1. We'll be back with baseball. Stay tuned. GSN Cards is out.